In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage and optimize your Basecamp storage, ensuring you're always within your limits and keeping your account streamlined. So, whether you're nearing your storage threshold or just want to tidy up, these steps will help you regain control. First, it's crucial to understand that only account owners have the ability to oversee and manage storage across the whole Basecamp account. So you'll need to log in as the account owner to proceed with these actions. Once you're logged in, you'll start from the home screen, which is your central hub for Basecamp activities. From here, your goal is to navigate to Admin Land, your go-to destination for all things administrative and managerial. In Admin Land, you'll find a section called Manage Storage. It's located under Owner Actions, so just click through and you'll be there in no time. In the Manage Storage section, you'll have a comprehensive overview of your current storage usage and limits. This is where you can get a clear idea of how much space you're using and what's available. Alongside this, there's a really handy list showing the largest files across all your Basecamp projects. This feature is a bit of a lifesaver as it helps you quickly identify what's occupying significant space, which is particularly useful if you're nearing your storage capacity. While you're here, keep an eye out for any warnings displayed. For instance, if you approach or surpass 90% of your storage limit, Basecamp will provide a clear warning banner to ensure you're alerted well in advance. This gives you the opportunity to take action early rather than facing unexpected disruptions. Let's talk about how you can free up some valuable space effectively. Start by utilizing the list of largest files you just accessed. This list is your roadmap to the files that are consuming the most space. Identify any files you no longer need and move them to trash. Remember, it's all about rationalizing what truly needs to be stored. An important tip to bear in mind is that archived projects can still contribute significantly to your storage usage if they contain files. That said, it's a good strategy to delete any non-essential files residing within these archived projects, thereby freeing up more space. Additionally, don't overlook files that have been uploaded inside pings or chats. These files also count towards your storage usage, and while they might not always appear on your largest files list, they can accumulate over time. So, take some time to review and delete unnecessary files from these conversations as well. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your Basecamp storage, ensuring that you always have the space you need for essential projects while maintaining an organized and optimized account. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!